My name is Arnold de Munnik. I'm a data scientist at Wehkamp. Wehkamp is a Dutch online retailer. Our mission is to create an exciting shop for families in the Netherlands. So data is living actually in every process of our company. So whether it is from product onboarding to browsing behavior or search or even to display sales figures, data is everywhere. So we have like 400,000 or 500,000 visitors a day, so they generate a lot of data. We also have like 400,000 products live, which also generate a lot of data. In the end, with the use of data and machine learning, we want to create an efficient trading process, build an exciting web shop, and provide ourselves with insights to identify new business opportunities. So one of our most interesting use cases is image classification. So with image classification, we're now able to classify the image, not only the article type, but also like, was it shot, a model shot from the front, a model shot from the back, or anything other related that we need. So usually there was a manual process, so a person had to tag all these images by saying this is a model front or a model back, and had to put that inside some kind of a list or a form. And now we're doing this all automatically. And with that information, we're now empowering the website with all those products. So all the products now have displayed all those model front, model back, and whatever model shot we took. With image classification, we're also able to do visual similarity. For instance, when we present a shop to look to a user, suppose that shirt is being sold out, we can replace it with a visual similar item to the user. Prior to Databricks, we used to work with a traditional corporate data warehouse. So although it was well designed, most of the time only the analyst had access to the data. On the other hand, we had a lot of data that was not being used by teams outside the team that was creating the data. So the data was living in silos. Also the power that we had with the traditional corporate data warehouse wasn't that big. So a lot of times we had to wait on each other's queries or on each other's scripts because everyone was using it. It was not scalable at all. So Databricks is very helpful in enabling us to get data to everyone in the company. So we're not a Zalando, we're not an Amazon, we don't have that skill. So we can't hire our way up with data analysts or data-minded people. So what we do is we need to enable everyone into the area of data. And the Databricks platform really enables everyone to get access to the data, to work on the data, to display the data, and eventually integrate with other kinds of services to use the data. With the use of Databricks, we're now also able to empower our recommendation engine. Our recommendation engine used to be like a static file of item related stuff, and that was the only recommendations that we could show. And now we're able to serve out like 10 different types of recommenders on scale. So these type of recommenders, they increase the CTR with products, they increase the engagement with customers, they also increase more like inspirational, so we're more offering content to the customer and they're more interacting with our recommenders and with our products. So we're using MLflow, and MLflow really lets us track all of our different kind of models. So we can see the model performance over time, we can see it improving, and if something goes wrong, for instance we have a new functionality and we see it is performing not as good as we would like, we can just go to a different kind of model, like a different state, and really track it. Databricks has had a big impact on our business. For instance, we doubled up in revenue from recommenders. Databricks is an incredible platform that enables engineers, scientists and data-minded people to closely collaborate on building some of the most state-of-the-art products that are out there.